What's up, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. We got a special video for you. Right now we're about to head to a toy drive, Supercar toy drive. We just dropped off our toys and there's gonna be a lot of Supercar owners there. And we're gonna ask these Ferrari, Lambo, McLaren, Rolls-Royce owners what they do for work and what is your best investment you're gonna make in 2023 and how can how can we be as rich as you? Hey, this is gonna be a really great video. Let's go. We got my man over here. What's your name?
Albert.
Albert, nice to meet you. We see the Ferrari. What kind of Ferrari is this and how much does it cost?
That's a 488. It's about a quarter.
Quarter mil? How much can one make in your position?
Usually at my level, it's like a 7-figure income, and even the income's not where we make our biggest gains. Our biggest gains are the assets we buy.
Yeah, true.
I started with 2 rental homes, and now I got apartment buildings and office buildings and retail buildings, and that's what Kiyosaki says. The house you live in is a liability.
Yeah.
You pay a mortgage on it, you lose your job, the bank takes it. It's not even yours.
That's true.
But the house you rent out, or a duplex you rent out, job or not, that thing's making money, that thing's giving you tax write-offs,
yes,
and it's good debt.
Yeah.
Other people are paying that mortgage. Your renters are paying that mortgage.
What's the best investment you're gonna make in 2023?
Always buy assets before liabilities.
Okay.
These are liabilities unless you rent them out and they make money, then they're assets.
Okay.
Read Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Yes, sir. That's a great
fundamental
read
to everything. Everybody loves to buy the toys first and not the investments.
That
so
is
you
true.
buy the investments that pay for the toys.
Any other books you recommend?
Kiyosaki has like 3 of them. The Rich Get Richer is a good one.
Okay.
He has a tax book too.
Okay.
But those are my favorites. Those just confirmed everything I learned at the commercial real estate firm. If you want to start in commercial real estate, you go under a senior broker that knows what he's doing, and then you can get your license under that. The main thing to have is sales skills. Sales skills is fundamental in almost any business.
Yeah.
Products don't sell themselves.
If you could go back in time and look at your 18-year-old self in the face, what kind of advice would you give him?
If you want to go my brother's route, who's younger than me and richer than me, he sacrificed buying toys and pleasure longer than I did.
Really?
Yeah. Balance though. You're only young once, but you want to invest in assets before buying the toys. That's the biggest thing. The Gucci belts, the brand new iPhones.
This is good for the kids.
Expensive shoes.
Yeah.
Buy your first rental property, and 10 years later you're gonna have a net worth not even matched to your friends.
Thank you. That's all valuable information you just gave us. We appreciate that. How much does your plane cost?
That's my first plane, and that's when I learned to get my pilot's license.
Oh, so you fly too?
Yeah, I just got my. I'm about to.
What doesn't he do?
Right so it's that's my more expensive toy.
Okay.
Cirrus SR22.
Okay.
The goal is to fly my own jet before I get gray hair.
No, that's crazy. Our next contestant. How much do these go for right now?
It used to be 160 something, 150, but
150?
now it's probably 140.
This comes to my next question. To have a beautiful car like this, what do you do for work?
Surprisingly, a lot of people think like to have an exotic car, you gotta be some kind of entrepreneur or whatever. But for an R8, which is not like super expensive, I work a W-2 job as a software engineer.
Interesting.
Like,
okay.
yeah.
Are you allowed to say the company, or you want to keep it private?
I work for a startup that does VR.
Okay.
They do B2B. So big companies like Walmart.
Okay.
Train employees who VR now.
Yeah. How much can one make in your position per year?
A really good engineer, you work for the big tech companies, you can make 200, 400K.
What is the best investment you're going to make in 2023? Your biggest investment you're going to make in 2023?
I think it's my own time.
Time.
Making my own online course.
Online course. Okay. What kind of course are you going to make online?
I want to teach people how to do my job, because like the thing they don't realize right now is that you can make the money I'm making right now and working remotely.
Yeah.
You don't need to do drop shipping. You work a job and make as much as a doctor, essentially.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Now, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm actually 34.
34? Bro, why you look young? Kind of the same age.
Oh, okay,
We're both Asian, that's why. Yeah. If you could go back in time, right, talk to your 18-year-old self, give him advice, what would you give him?
I'd say learn to code as fast as possible.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
Coding's where the money's at.
It's where the money's at for the amount of work you're putting in.
Yeah.
I work maybe like 2 to 4 hours a day, but I'm making almost as much as a doctor.
Okay, it reminds me, this color reminds me of my older Evo. I wonder if it is.
Well, it's a custom color that my dad had ad personam.
Okay.
So you probably have never seen it before. I'm just kidding. You can order it that way.
No, I know. What year is it?
22.
How much does this go for right now?
It was like 273 or something.
273, okay. How much are the Louis Vuitton glasses?
I don't know, like 5. They're not that bad. They're like $600 or something.
Oh, that's a good deal. Okay, this goes to my next question. What do you do for work?
I do home loans.
Home loans.
Lender. I do residential mortgage.
Okay, how long you been doing that for?
It's like 17 years.
In your position with a Lambo, how much can you make per year doing that?
A bad loan officer can make $250 a year.
Yeah. Now, what is your best investment you're gonna make in 2023?
Myself.
What are you gonna invest in yourself?
Well, I just don't give other people money. I believe in what I can do over anybody else. So there's always people coming at you saying, invest in this, invest in this. But I know if I put X dollars into my own business, I know what return I can get. So I'm just going to reinvest in myself.
Okay. So when you invest in yourself and your business,
well,
like, what are some of the goals?
No, I think just in growth, the company growing, the revenue increasing.
Okay. Now, if you could go back and talk to your 18-year-old self and give him some advice, what would you tell him?
Buy an airplane first. And
airplane first.
Get airplane, then Lambo instead of Lambo.
Wait,
airplane.
Where's the we got to see the airplane.
It's on the roof. We landed it.
Wait, how much does that airplane cost, for real?
It's called a Sirius SR22T, so it's like a 4 or 5 seater, but it was $1,150,000.
Wow. What's your net worth, by the way? Can I guess a range and you just tell me if I'm higher or lower?
Yeah.
Okay, 100 mil?
Way lower.
50 mil.
All right, I'm more, okay.
We're not the higher end.
I'm more like 1,000 air.
He has the airplane?
Like 1,000.
I didn't even know he had it. Bro, we're all talking about his Lambo.
Well,
What is the best piece of advice you could give to anyone right now that's like inspired, that wants to do what you do, make the kind of money you make, have the Lambos, have the airplanes?
Get up before everyone else.
Okay.
And go to bed after everyone else. And you have no friends and everyone. Be selfish. Especially young people that are out partying, hanging out, whatever. You just grind, focus, get up at, if everybody else gets up at 8, get up at 4.
Okay, I love
Read
that.
books, get a coach, get somebody that you can learn from.
Speed up the process.
Yeah.
My man Mark here, long time no see.
Absolutely, brother. Good seeing you again.
Yeah, good to see you. This guy upgraded from a McLaren to a Venador. How much does that Venador cost?
I got it for $370,000.
$370,000. Now, are you making payments on that, or?
Yeah.
What's your monthly payments for the ones that want to know?
Roughly around $4,700.
$4,700,
Yeah.
like a mortgage.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Did you put any money down?
I did.
How much?
Close to, it was 95.
95K.
95K.
Jeez. What do you do for work? For the people that don't know, what do you do for a living?
I do real estate.
Real estate.
I also own a restaurant.
Okay.
But I'm more of a silent investor.
Investor.
Yeah,
okay.
On that, I mostly do, so my day-to-day, I do real estate.
Since you got a Venador, was that yours? There it is.
Yeah.
He has his buddy driving it. It's coming in right now, actually. Welcome back.
My back hurts.
Oh, yeah.
I had that little
Oh, this is clutch. Look at this. This is clutch right here. Damn, bro. 370,000. People want to know, since your car is here and all, how much per year?
I would say to get this kind of car, you want to make at least 300K.
300K. What is the best investment or what is your investment that you're gonna make in 2023?
I think more real estate. You just can't go wrong with it, to be honest.
That's the way to go.
Yeah.
How many properties do you have at the moment?
We have 7.
7.
We do short-term rentals. We put them on Airbnb, and we make our money that way.
So if you could go back to your 18-year-old self, what would you tell him?
Honestly, just keep doing what I was doing. Even though when I was 18, obviously I could have started a lot sooner.
Yeah.
But I don't regret the days where I was out, perhaps partying or drinking or not.
Because you're living life.
You still got to live your life.
Yeah.
And then when the time comes, which, to me, it came like around 22.
Yeah.
Is when I started really grinding, going out there, meeting new people, networking.
Yeah.
That was my time. That was my age,
Yeah.
So everyone kind of has their own timeline.
I feel that. Experience, live life, enjoy the journey, and it'll happen.
Exactly.
My man.
Exactly.
Thank you, brother.
Absolutely,
Appreciate you.
man.
Yeah. We got my boy Ali. You guys remember him? The big body Rolls Royce in the back. But let's take a walk over here real quick and talk about it a little more. How much is that Rolls Royce?
That bad boy is a 22, coming in at about 460.
460.
Yeah.
Wow. What are the monthly payments on that?
You don't want to know.
I do want to know.
Unless you want to pay it.
8K? 8K a month? That's like 2 houses, huh?
It depends what you put down payment, obviously.
So it comes to my next question, because this is your event. This is a toy drive, guys.
Toy drive. We do it for the kids.
For the people that don't know who you are, what do you do for a living?
Exotic car rentals. So any exotics you want. We also set up a new company, Exotics DAO.
Yeah. Web3 guys, check it out.
We do set up a membership program.
Okay.
Where you can be a member and you can get quarterly free rentals.
How much does the business generate per year?
No.
I'll say a number, you say higher or lower. 500K per year. Higher, huh? It's higher.
It's gonna vary on how many cars you got in the fleet.
What is the best thing you can invest in 2023? Dow?
That is gonna be a big thing because in the next year or two, we're gonna see a lot of shit that's gonna go into the Web3 world. The technology behind it is what's gonna be driving a lot lot of business in the next few years.
Bro, look, Ali gave me the Rolls Royce key. He's forcing me to drive it. Let's go. Look at this. Come here. Get in it. Get in here, bro. We're in here. A lot of the exotics are leaving, but there's also beautiful American muscle cars here. You feel me? Challenger.
Dodge Challenger, Scat Pack.
How much does it go for?
Over 63,000.
63,000. What do you do for work?
I'm a consultant. Actually, I have 2 masters at USC. And
damn, look at you, bro. Congratulations,
you,
man. That's great education. Yeah. So you're a consultant for big companies?
Huge clients, Fortune 100, top 5 clients.
Okay.
Been doing it for 17 years, but kind of had to grind my way into it. Real talk, if you ask me how many times I applied to jobs, over 300,000. 300,000? Damn.
300,000?
Yeah.
How is that even humanly possible?
Most cases, you gotta fail forward. Don't fear rejection. Just keep getting rejected.
Rejection means redirection.
Yeah.
How much can one make in your position per year?
From anywhere from 200,000 to 500,000. 205.
Bro, you can buy an exotic with that, but you're keeping it humble, huh? You're keeping it, but this is still an expensive car.
Yeah.
Like $60,000 to $70,000 is still an expensive car. What is the best investment you're gonna make in 2023?
Always keep learning, brother.
So always educate and learn more.
Education is a lifetime. I mean, you don't need formal education, but just constantly educate yourself and meet good people and just stay true to yourself.
Yeah.
Like, you're like a living proof, bro. Like,
oh, thank you, bro.
When I watch
I'm humbled.
When I watch a YouTube video and I meet you in person, I'm like, dude, this guy's real. Like, he doesn't change up.
Yeah.
Stay true to yourself.
So many successful, wealthy people here today. Couple of them own some planes. That's ridiculous, man. That's a lot of money. We got some great advice today. I'm not gonna lie. Invest in real estate, invest in yourself, invest in knowledge, education. The more you learn, the more you earn. What are you gonna invest in 2023? What is gonna be your biggest investment in 2023? Let me know in the comments below. So look, do me a favor, like the video. It helps us out. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You see it? Turn it on so you'll be alerted every time I post. What can I say? It's been a beautiful year.
You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, babe. Somehow you keep calling.